Dixie Bowl is home to a dominant bowling team.
On the state championship, there's only been 2 years that we did not go to the Sweet 16. Out of all the other years, only one time that we did not finish in the top 3.
The PRP bowling programs have won 11 state championships. 10 are because of the girls.
Oh, it's awesome. Shows me that we can do whatever we want to.
When did you realize that, oh, the team here is actually really good?
Like my first week. Like within the first couple of days bowling, I was like, oh, okay.
The traditional bowling sounds aren't the only thing you'll hear with this bowling team.
We're a family, honestly. That's what I feel like when I walk into this bowling alley, is I'm walking just back in with a group of my family.
One can say the patriarch of this family is head coach Don Imes. In the 2 decades he's been with the program, he's been a part of all the state title teams.
I don't take credit for it. I don't walk around patting me on the back about it. I kind of shush people away when they want to give me credit for it. It's these guys. They're the ones throwing the ball, not me.
Imes spends most of his time during practice on a stool. He has polio and has had it since he was 2 years old. Bowling was the only sport he could play as a kid. But don't let the crutches fool you.
I've got an actual 300 and I've got an actual 800 series. So these kids, I think they see that I can do it with what I've had to deal with. If he can do that, I can do that.
And as a coach?
Amazing, honestly. He's really nice. He will be a little strict sometimes when it's down for the count and we really gotta focus, but he always makes sure that we're comfortable and cheers us on no matter what.
While his mobility might be limited, he doesn't let that stop him or his coaching staff from trying to add another state title.
I'm just coach. That's all I know.